Robert Harrington, a former astronomer at the United States Naval Observatory, became a believer in the existence of a planet beyond Pluto and began his search with positive results coming from the IRAS probe in 1983. Dr. Harrington had multiple theories about the planet Nibiru over the years and based his theories on the movements of the outer planets and a possible influence of an unknown body in the solar system. In January 1981, several newspapers carried a report that Dr. Harrington and his colleague Dr. Thomas Van Flander of the American Naval Observatory had said, at a meeting of the American Astronomical Society, that irregularities in the orbit of Pluto, that the solar system contained an intruder planet. A similar story ran in a famous American newspaper on June 19, 1982. A year later, in 1983, the recently launched infrared astronomical satellite quickly found the planet Nibiru has found a celestial body as big as Jupiter, which is part of our solar system and has been found in the direction of the constellation Orion by an Earth-orbiting telescope, wrote the American Journal. In August 1988, a report by Harrington calculated that its mass is probably 4 times greater than that of Earth. In 1992, Harrington and Van Flander published their results and conclusions. On an intruder planet in our solar system, the search was directed to the southern skies below the ecliptic. The state of solar and cosmic physics is so fragmented and confused that it has been relatively easy for NASA and official bodies of the scientific and military establishment to create a smokescreen of disinformation. Their position is based in the notion that the truth would only create panic in the already confused financial market, and that the statutes of the most important scientific and technological institutions specifically prohibit anything that would alarm the public. There is overwhelming evidence for the reality of this and of the existence of a new giant planet that has entered our system. NASA, together with its astronomers and astrophysicists, have a disguised interest in completely denying everything related to Nibiru, since there is no other possible scenario and modern science is preventing this reality from emerging. NASA's news publication system is strict and scientists are under strict agreements not to reveal anything. These scientists, they cannot publicly discuss or admit any event that might cause public alarm. That is why data regarding a new arrival of the planet Nibiru is not allowed outside the halls of NASA. They are under strict contract not to tell the public. It is clear that NASA has observed such objects as the planet Nibiru is hiding the data from the public. There is clear evidence that NASA is now hiding data that would show that there is another massive object and going deep into the solar system with the potential for devastating effects on planet Earth. Today, NASA is trying to sweep the danger under the rug by claiming it is nothing more than a large asteroid, but considering that until a year ago only the largest telescopes could see the planet Nibiru, now even small to medium-level observatories are seeing it. Earth changes cannot be accurately predicted, because even if a new large object was known today with exact location and orbital information, its orbit would change on a daily basis and the true orbit, and this situation would elude an exact prediction, although rough estimates can be made.